So I messed up. The Fifine mic kit that I just reviewed is not $95.99. It's actually a better deal than I said in the last video.
The kit is actually $79.99 USD.
Seems like this mic goes on sale fairly often, and honestly, this mic is worth more than the retail price. Not to encourage Fifine to bait and switch anyone, but this mic punches well above its weight class. So even if it was actually $95.99, I stand on business. I stand behind what I said. So this is a steal, even at the higher incorrect price that I stated previously.
The mic I had this mistaken for is the one on screen right now. It's actually the same microphone itself, but the kit is different. This one includes a low profile metal mic arm with cable channels, which frankly makes the Rode PSA-1 look pretty damn stupid at a glance. Fifine emailed me to let me know about the error, so I'd like to sincerely apologize for the oversight. I really need to apologize to them for the oversight. But while I'm here, I'd also like to apologize to them for how long this review took. But here's the thing. Why do videos take so long to come out on this channel? And also, what is all this stuff on the table? On the table in no particular order is the Logitech MX Master 4, a 5GB adapter from Mint House, a Thunderbolt 5 NVMe SSD enclosure, a Unify E7 access point, and a CalDigit TS5 Plus Thunderbolt 5 dock. There's also a product off camera right now that's also in line to get a video. Fun fact about the E7, I got it from a very generous viewer back on the weekend of Father's Day. Like, I got it to review. It's about 10 to 7 in the morning. It's Father's Day morning, so I wanted to make this quick video before I took off to see Dad. But between my work commitments and some family stuff that has me committing a lot of time, it's been very hard to get consistent on YouTube. I don't know if this video is like some weird declaration that I'm gonna get consistent, because to be honest, a lot of the delays are well outside of my control. One thing I tend to do is shoot a lot of videos of unboxing products well in advance of the actual video, like the actual final edit. So there's a lot of footage I have already, but the finished videos are still a little while out. Look, this channel is a mix of tech, thus the name Tech Mixer, and let me be completely honest, that means no, it's not going to be all Bell fiber to the home and networking stuff. I do like that stuff, but there are parts of that topic that are like exhausted. But I will do some videos on it. Just don't expect that that's what the channel is going to be all about. Anyway, I was talking about the footage from some of the videos like that I've pre-shot. It's eating hard disk storage. So let me be real, that's definitely one piece of motivation to get me to continue here, but something else I need to convey. I've been pretty critical to certain brands. The ones that come to mind are like DJI, Ivanki, and of course Elgato, specifically regarding the prompter in their case. So I want to say something to all of you who have watched my content so far. I understand. I get that YouTube sometimes is not a trustworthy place. And if I'm being real with you, I've been fleeced by listening to other creators endorse products that don't really live up to the expectations of their reviews. And I'm not going to name names because that's tacky, first off. But, well, actually, no. Unless their take is severely egregious or just outright lies. I will highlight creators that do things right, which I also think is very important, but please understand something. This ideology Tech Mixer is built on is definitely going to make it harder for me to make great money on the platform, and I'd be lying if I said that I didn't want to make money on YouTube. Look, of course I do. If you do the work, you should be paid, right? So I'm saying all this so that you, the viewer, can clearly understand that if I recommend a product, it's because I've used it and I felt that it's something I'd be comfortable recommending. And brands, please understand that I'm not trying to throw any shade at you. My intention is that if I say something passionately about a product in a negative light, it's because I want to see you do better so that people can buy confidently without being let down. But this also means that if we do any brand deals, I better like the product and I better be excited to recommend it, or let me be honest, it's probably not going to happen. I just wanted to come on to be accountable and apologize to Fifine for my terrible oversight and for you, the viewer, because that pricing was misleading. Although it does make the mic a even better, sweeter deal, the fact that the price is actually even lower than I originally stated. But anyway, I know that at the time that I'm recording this, the Fifine video, it has very low views, which is fine. But just because it has low views doesn't mean I shouldn't be accountable for my stupid mistake. And let me be clear, the mistake was entirely on me. I misread the email. They sent the mic a long time ago. This is completely on me. Anyway, look, I'm working on stuff, so I hope to post more soon, and I don't even know where else this video is gonna go. Look, thanks for enduring this weird mess of a video. I'm really gonna try to post more because I do love this stuff, and hopefully I can mitigate some of the uncontrollable stuff that's been delaying me so far. And also, before I forget, huge shout out to our Korea. You guys will see why. My name is Sean. This has been Tech Mixer, and I'm out. Peace.